Subarashikikana. Kono Sekai What a Wonderful World is a single released by Miyavi on November 14, 2007. The single contains 3 tracks on the regular edition, while the 2 limited editions will contain only 2 tracks. Omitting Mata Yume de Aimashou. The limited editions include a bonus DVD, a photo book, track listing. All lyrics written by Miyavi and Taiko. All music composed by Miyavi. Personnel: Miyavi, vocals, guitar, producer, Taiko, MC, rapping, Saro, tap dancing, DJ 1, 2 turntable, Masahide Sakuma, bass guitar, producer, Soultool, drums, Tom Jurat, mastering, Noriyuki Kizao, recording, mixing. References: